Hey, it's Tori, your Deako liaison. In this video, I'm going to walk through adding sunrise-sunset schedule to a smart device. Schedules are primarily used for outdoor lighting, coming home to a lit house, and adds both comfort and security to modern living. While you can set these options for any time you'd like, more often than not, sunrise-sunset are the most commonly used applications. You'll start by hitting the plus sign on the home screen, choose Schedules, then follow the on-screen instructions. Next, select the device you'd like to use and the corresponding time in which you want your switch to turn on and off. Last, you need to choose which days you'd like this to repeat. It can be every day, weekdays, weekends, or a custom arrangement. Then when you've finished, hit done. If you run into issues of any kind, please reach out to our support team at support@deako.com. See you soon.